Imagine standing on the very stones where one of the Bible's most powerful miracles is said to have happened. Archaeologists in Jerusalem believe they've uncovered the Pool of Siloam, the site where Jesus healed a man born blind as told in the Gospel of John. For centuries, the location of this pool was debated. Early Christian pilgrims pointed to Byzantine ruins, while scholars argued over its true position. Then in 2004, workers repairing a sewage pipe near the city of David uncovered ancient stone steps. Excavations revealed a large pool dating back to the time of Jesus, confirming what many believers had long suspected. The Pool of Siloam wasn't just a place of healing, it was central to Jerusalem's water system, fed by the Gihon Spring. Pilgrims traveling to the temple would stop here to wash and purify themselves, making it a site of both practical and spiritual importance. Archaeologists have since uncovered more of its structure, including evidence of a massive dam and channels that carried water across the city. This discovery adds weight to the biblical account. The Gospel of John describes Jesus sending a blind man to wash in the pool, and when he did, his sight was restored. Standing on those steps today, you can imagine that moment, the man opening his eyes for the first time, seeing the world around him. And for believers, it's a reminder that faith and history often meet in the most unexpected places. For Christians, the find is awe-inspiring. It connects faith with archaeology, offering a tangible link to a story told for nearly 2,000 years. Scholars say it also highlights how Jerusalem's sacred spaces were woven into everyday life, blending engineering, ritual, and miracle. Whether viewed as history or as divine intervention, the Pool of Siloam remains a powerful symbol of hope and transformation, reminding us how the past continues to shape faith today. That's today's fact. Smash like and subscribe for more epic discoveries, and tell us in the comments, what do you think about this ancient find?